Hi, I'm Carl, and you are watching the Phi-Psy-Kahl channel. This experiment utilizes the built-in gyroscope on the smartphone and measures the angular velocity measured along the longest side of the phone, as well as the radius of the roll to calculate the speed at which the roll travels. We need the following for this experiment: a smartphone with Phyphox app installed, a device for remote access such as laptop or smartphone with updated web browser to visualize the data, a paper roll or any cylindrical tube or container that will fit the smartphone inside, and some scratch papers. Open Phyphox app and select Roll on the experiment options. Measure the radius of the tube by measuring first the diameter of the cylinder and divide it by 2. Input the value in Phyphox. Make sure that you are using the correct unit during the measurement. Tap the options on the upper right side and select Allow Remote Access. Copy the URL for remote access device. Open a web browser in the remote access device and type the URL generated by Phyphox. Place the smartphone in the container and add scratch paper both sides so that the phone will not slip during the roll. Click the play button on the remote access device and roll the cylinder to measure the angular speed. When rolled horizontally back and forth, the average speed is 0.68 meters per second. When rolled from the incline, the average speed is 0.85 meters per second. Note that the raw data measures the angular speed with the units radians per second. You can view the link in the description for the video lecture about the computations and interconversion of quantities between rotational and linear kinematics. Using Phyphox application, you can maximize the built-in sensors on your smartphones and perform experiments with the tip of your fingers.